Hi everyone.
Welcome back to HomeHeadChef.
And today we are making
Fruity Pebble Treats.
So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we are going to need 5 tablespoons of butter, 16 ounces of mini marshmallows, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 6 cups of Fruity Pebbles. To get started, we're going to take a little bit of our butter and we're going to gently butter the pan. The reason why we want to butter the pan is to let the Rice Krispie treats come out of the pan very easily. Now we're gonna get over and get the butter and the marshmallows melted, so let's head over there and get that started. Now we wanna get started by melting our butter. Turn it on to medium low and put the butter into your pot and let's just get it melted. It'll take a couple minutes. Once your butter is melted, we're gonna add in the marshmallows. We wanna get these melted as well. We wanna do it slowly or they will start to firm up and make the Rice Krispie treats a little bit too hard. Once the marshmallows are completely melted, we're gonna add in our vanilla, give that a mix, and we're gonna go right in with our Fruity Pebbles. Once we get those in, we're just gonna get this all mixed up and go right into our pan. Now we wanna quickly transfer this into our square pan and form it into our shape. We don't want to pack them down too hard or they're gonna make a real tough Rice Krispie treat. So let's get all this out and just spread it out. I got a pan here that's a little bit too big, so I'm gonna go in with a lightly damped hand. Just give this a little press just to form it into the shape that we want. You're gonna get a little bit that sticks on you. It's not a problem, just eat that. We're just gonna let this cool down for a couple minutes and we're gonna give it a slice. Our Fruity Pebble treats have firmed up. We're going to flip these out onto our cutting board and cut them and get a taste. See if this works. Now these are still very sticky, but we're gonna try to cut these into nice little squares. Just like that. Let's separate it. Oh, look at the marshmallow pull on those. Cut them into nice little squares. I'd say about 3" by 3". All right, I'm gonna finish cutting these and we're gonna get a taste. All right, now let's get a taste of these. Grab one, guys. Take a bite. They're really good. What do you think?
Good.
What do you think?
So much better.
So much better than what?
Than all the yucky food.
Oh, better than all the yucky food. You heard it here. These are absolutely amazing. You get the wonderful taste of the Fruity Pebbles. A little bit of the vanilla on the back note complements it very well. Get a nice marshmallow pull. Look at that. These are wonderful. I hope you guys try this recipe out. Get your kids involved. If you like what we're doing here, hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for stopping in. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. We'll see you next time.